Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Todoist app not opening in 2026. If Todoist won't launch, crashes immediately, or gets stuck on the loading screen, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, restart your phone or computer and try opening Todoist again. A simple restart can resolve temporary system issues that prevent apps from launching properly. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Todoist. Visit the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Microsoft Store, or download the latest desktop version from the official Todoist website, then install any available updates. Now check your internet connection. While Todoist supports offline use for many features, a stable connection is often needed during startup and account synchronization. If the app still won't open, force close Todoist and launch it again. On mobile devices, you can also clear the app cache if that option is available in your device settings. Next, make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Installing the latest system updates can fix compatibility issues that affect app performance. If the problem continues, uninstall Todoist completely and reinstall it from the official App Store. After reinstalling, sign in with your account and allow the app a few moments to sync your tasks. Finally, if Todoist still won't open, check whether the service is experiencing a temporary outage or contact Todoist support for additional assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the Todoist app not opening step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.